I've been flipping furniture, and right here is one of the pieces that I'm flipping. It's a Poang chair from IKEA that we got for free in a back alley. We found this abandoned chair yesterday in an alleyway, and I'm just here to pick it up. Abandoned chair. Now you might be wondering, how profitable is flipping free furniture? You know, the stuff that's run down and everything. Well, I'm going to take you back to 2020, one of the most enjoyable experiences of my life, where my ex and I started a whole side hustle where we got free furniture and we flipped it. Check it out here. Hello, today is a flipping furniture episode. This is our chair here. We got this one for free. This is a chair we got today. We got this one for free. Ours is a lot nicer, and this one is disgusting. Well, they sell for about £20 online, but you can find them for free, and we've got two for free, but we're gonna sell this one. Look at the seam here. That's disgusting. Roll out all the muck. Look at all of that stain and all this stain. It's time to eliminate. There's a lot of paint stains, I don't know if you can see, like little bits here and that, so the other half's going to get some cotton buds and some acetone, so we're going to try and just remove these little bits of stains. Hopefully we don't damage the wood, but if we can do that, then brilliant, because I mean, I don't think people, the new owners, want a damaged chair, so let's hope for the best. Dib, 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 dib. Back on with a bit more acetone. And then grab this. See that? Gone. This surface is sticky, but this one is not. Put a bit of fairy liquid down it. Spray some pink stuff onto the rag. It may not be the way that a lot of people do it, but it's the way that we're doing it. We're doing it on a budget. It's like how we used acetone. You probably shouldn't use acetone on polish. We are doing this on a budget because, well, we're poor. Unfortunately, the chair is a little bit wobbly, but luckily I just so happen to have the correct tool. Tighten the bolts so the new owner can get a much sturdier chair. Obviously it's still faded, but oh my god, all the little stains are gone, and that is looking literally a million times better. Look at this. Clean, 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 clean. All screwed up, so much tighter. I even cleaned this bit. Let's just wait for the chair to dry, and hopefully we can sell that tomorrow. Surprisingly, it is the next day. The cover has been drying all night. We're off to go pick up a second chair. What colour's the second chair? The second chair is white. We've picked up our second chair. There it is in the back. A lovely white one, so that should be pretty cool. Ladies and gentlemen, another one. Another one. Another one. We've got 3 chairs. The cover on this one isn't as dirty as you can see, and compared to the last one, seems these are nowhere near as bad. So this one should actually be okay to clean, but we're going to stick it in the washing machine. There's a mark there. I can feel it needs a wash. Down here we've got some wear and tear. We've got a pretty good frame here. This one was so much easier than the last one to clean. The red one is now up for sale. Here's a real quick update on the chairs. Here's the white one. That looks cool. Someone is picking that up now. So the other half is taking that outside. The red one, we are delivering to a house. They're both going for £15 right now. So she's taking that out. I'm taking this to the car, and that's it. We've sold them both today. The black chair that I'm working on I picked up from a smoker's home. It's absolutely disgusting. It's completely stained, it's stunk. We've had to wash the cushions, we've washed the covers, we've had to remove the stains out of the wood. It's been absolutely awful. I've even soaked the frame in a lemon. I cut a lemon in half and I rubbed it all over the frame to soak in before I even washed it again. It's been disgusting. It was the most disgusting piece of furniture. I cannot believe anyone even treated something as good as these chairs like that. This video has actually been filmed over a couple of weeks, so going alongside all the chairs, we've actually had a few more chairs which haven't been on camera, but as well as the chairs, we've been working with side tables. Now I'm going to show you this side table here. We picked up this side table for £1 and you can see there's a crack here, but more importantly, it was originally black and someone has painted it white. We've got another one of them here and drawers, and even more drawers in the bedroom. We even picked up a couple of side tables which we liked so much, they actually became our side tables for our bedroom. We're actually working with a couple of different chairs now, and these ones are actually worth a little bit more. Brand new from IKEA. This chair here is worth £215 brand new. It's the rocking chair one which we've already cleaned up and washed and everything. We've got another one here which actually hasn't been cleaned up yet. This one is still very stained. As you can see, the seat is covered in lots of marks, and then we've got a couple of marks on the frame, and then this isn't even up straight. And brand new, this chair here is worth £149 from IKEA. And like most of the furniture we've bought, these chairs were actually free. We got them from someone who was moving house, unfortunately. They were moving across part of the country, which left us with a couple of nice chairs. But going along with that, we didn't actually get the side tables for free. This one was £1, that one was £1, and then the ones in our bedroom were £5 each. I've just gone to pick up another chair, and I've been able to get a footrest as well. Both of these are free. These here are still a mess. I know the other half wants to work on them. I think we're going to decide whether we're going to keep them white or we're going to remove the black. They're an absolute state. Gave them a wipe down just so they're clean for now, but we still need to go through all the stain remover and work out what we're doing with them before we put them up for sale. I've actually got something new to show you guys. We got another one. We got another chair, and this one's actually really good condition. The cover for this one is black. Previous owner actually washed it. The only problem with it is it used to be in a conservatory, so it's faded a little bit. I'm going to be cleaning up the frame for that later. I'm going to be cleaning up the frame for this one. We're going to be washing the covers of the stool, this chair, getting them dry, and then we're going to saturate the market by uploading all the chairs at once. All the chairs on the market are ours, therefore they should sell better. These two side tables have now been uploaded online for sale. The other half does all the uploading and everything, so I don't have to worry about the money side of things. She's uploaded those for sale, and we've also got one of the chairs up for sale, but we're going to relist that because we're going to upload them all at the same time. So today I'm going to be cleaning all of the frames. Once my laundry's actually done, we'll be washing the covers of everything. It's gone from a big bright yellow stain down to pretty much nothing. One more frame to clean. We're going to list some of the chairs up today. Let's get this one done. The drawers have been sold. We've already sold this chair today. We didn't have time to list them all up at once because the covers were drying. However, we got this one up, and this one has been sold for £15. We've had it less than 24 hours. Everybody say goodbye to the blue chair and the stool as they've been sold, and we're driving them to their new home. Did you know I built those hooks? I customly designed these bedside tables. In fact, multiple things in my apartment alone are customised somewhat by me. And I absolutely love it. Now I'm sure you're thinking, Oliver, how much money did you make on the furniture? That's why we're here for that section. Well, that's going to be just after this section. I'd just like to say that I have very much enjoyed customising furniture, buying and selling furniture, getting furniture for free. And if you have seriously enjoyed this video, then let me know in the comments below, because I would happily make more videos for you guys right here on getting free furniture and customising it and progressing with side hustles and earnings and side little businesses and everything. And if that is something that you do want to see on this channel, then let me know in the comments below, because I'd really like to know. Or like, share, comment on this video and push this video a lot further than it deserves. So, how much money did we make? I'll say a quick goodbye here, adios. How much money did we make? Let's find out. 5 years ago. So how did our little furniture flipping experiment go? It went really well, actually. We made pretty good profits, and before I go into that, let me just explain that the majority of the furniture we got, yes, we did get for free, but also we had to go pick it up, use our time, use our fuel, use our products, find the buyers, deliver it, because we offered a delivery service with our products. So the majority of people we delivered to, which expanded our clientele base. Our flat has been full of furniture for the last couple of months. Our hallway, my office, has been extremely full. How well did we do in profit? Well, the aim was to undercut everyone else. People uploading the chairs for sale on Facebook Marketplace were selling them for up to £50 a chair, but we weren't looking for that. So our profits ended up about £15 a chair, which actually for a couple hours work is pretty good. Yeah, we have to sit on it, but when we're selling maybe 2-3 chairs a day, that's pretty good. I've lost count on the amount of chairs that we've gone through. Not every single chair was on camera. There's been a lot of furniture off camera, but mainly we have done chairs, stools, and side tables. This project has gone so well that we are expanding this into 2021, and we're still going to be flipping furniture. So now this is a little side hustle for us. It's another form of income, which is great. I'm even looking at the possibility of getting a trailer for my car so we can pick up more furniture and sell more furniture. It's such an easy business to get into. Anyone can do it. You can get a piece of furniture for 99p, do it up, paint it and sell it on. We ourselves are looking at getting more products for our furniture just to make our furniture 100 times better for the client. My girlfriend dealt with all the sales stuff, so her selling profiles are 5-star, A-star, and they can see that we are proper sellers, and possible customers can see that we have a selling history. But overall, this 2-month period of selling furniture, how much have we made? I'm not 100% sure off the top of my head. We've gone through so many chairs, I don't know. I've been using it as my day-to-day money. I haven't even been touching my own funds. I'm able to afford diesel, food, bills. I've been able to afford that just off the furniture. I'm really happy about that. So thank you for watching my video. I do hope that you have enjoyed it. If you're looking at more side hustle ideas or business, finance sort of things, then make sure to stay tuned on this channel because that's the kind of area that I'm going to be going into on my videos. So make sure you smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and you've subscribed to the channel if you are new. Turn your bell notifications on and I shall see you guys all in the next video, which should be up very, very soon. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from wherever you are in the world. Adios, my mis amigos, and I shall see you guys later. And goodbye.